Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We are still on that same topic of the Gwala people, abantu bakagwala abasingenileyo ka-social media. We can see lana ukubana the youngest wife is Nazareth, and one of a fan asked ukubana ngisacela unibonise xa unxibile la uniform yakho yobuNazareth. So this is her showing ifeni yakhe ukubana hi, this is how beautifully I look when I'm wearing uniform yakhe yobuNazareth. You can see also here there's a picture that she posted saying bana 5 years ago, 15 of March, I think wakulilanga ayelotsholwa ngakhona ngokwesintu kungumshado wabo nobaba uGwala. You can see they're always on these events looking all pretty in their dresses awafanako. You can see nalana futhi babesuka endlini banxibe o-navy blue, bangasebahle. You can see lana ugeli ukubana hayi, she is heavily pregnant. Sewusiza omunye unana kena. So yeah, her name is Nontokozo Thungo. Uyasho laphana ka-TikTok ukubana that's her name. So we're still getting to know all of them. Sisazobazi namagama abo bonke ukubana ngubani, because so far I know 3 family members. Uwashesha, the son of Bonginhlanhla Gwala, and then now the 4th wife also. We are slowly catching in to get to know them ukubana esithenjini sabo kwabo bayiphethe kanjani le ndaba yabo yesithembu. Ngathi nje hayi, there's some peaceful and harmony ukubana hayi, you can see ukubana love lives in this family. We still have to know them. Sisafuna ukubazi nkosi yami, sazi nabo ubana baphila kanjani kulesithembu sabo. Also we can see ubana there's 4 wives and a whole lot of kids. So we still have to know ubana this child belongs to which mother. We'll get to know, but you can see obviously I've seen the younger son that I think ukubana is the youngest. I think ngowakhe uNontokozo, because most of the time kalapho the baby boys also maybe that is her first son, which is the youngest of the 20 kids that they are talking about. Ubana hayi, bapheleleke lana. Isifiso sikaMusa sifezekile kwenye indoda Bonginhlanhla Gwala. So we'll get to know them. We are getting to know them. We can see also Uwasheshe ukubana he has a girlfriend and he is not hiding her. Bana no guys, stay away. I am already taken. So yeah, we can see the beautiful family of abantu bakagwala. Yena ubaba uGwala namakhosikazi akhe nyani. You can see ubana hayi, they are kind of having it all together. We still have to see more. Let us all cross our fingers ukubana yes, uMoja Love okanye uShowmax would just jump in just to give us what we are crying for, ukubana sibabone ukuthi bona isithembu sibaphethe kanjani. Let me know, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section ukubana will you go for isithembu kunguwe dadewethu? Will you go for isithembu kunguwe bhuti wami? Ukubana would you marry 3, 4, 5 wives if you are financially capable? Because surely ukuba sesithenjini, it comes with money. If you have to fully fund 3, 4, 5 women in your life, nawe-ke as umfazi kwamele uye lapho obona khona ukubana I am going to be well taken care of, even though I'll work but my kids, their education, they go to best schools and stuff like that. A chance given and financially given, would you do